I'm taking you into one of Hoi An's lesser-known food alleys this evening, a quiet little lane off Phan Chu Trinh Street, to visit a family-run spot called Ban Sale, Thịt Nướng, named Louis Ban. This isn't a big-name restaurant and is definitely not on most tourist lists, but for the people who live here, this is where you go when you want proper home-style grilling and crispy ban sale done the old way. As I walk in, the alley feels peaceful. Before I even see the tables, the smell of charcoal grilled pork hits me. That smoky, sweet aroma you only get from real, wood-fired street cooking. Right at the entrance, a young man is tending the grill, fanning skewers of Thịt Nướng and nem lui, while the evening rain drizzles down. It's a very typical Hoi An scene, relaxed, unhurried, and full of character. Inside, the stall feels like someone's living room. Simple folding tables, plastic stools, tiled floors that have seen a decade or two of customers. The walls are covered with old photos of diners and dishes, almost like a scrapbook of everyone who's ever eaten here. It's wonderfully cozy, and the whole place carries this warm, domestic charm that instantly puts you at ease. In the kitchen at the back is where the elder Mrs. Nine, the bar in Ban Nine, is calmly frying ban sale in well-worn pans. The family here is friendly in that effortless Vietnamese way, quick with smiles, generous with herbs and rice paper, and always making sure you're comfortable, even if their English is limited. It all adds to the feeling that you're eating in someone's home rather than a business. They have an English menu, so you just point to what you want and the food arrives when it's ready. You settle the bill after your meal. I came here today for one thing, the Thịt Nướng, Vietnam's iconic grilled pork skewers. I was still full from An Sin's mee quang earlier in the morning, so I decided to focus just on this one dish. And it didn't disappoint. When the plate arrives, the first thing you notice is the color of the meat. The pork clings to the bamboo skewers in rustic strips, with dark caramelized edges and a shiny glaze from the marinade. These aren't factory-perfect patties, they're hand-shaped, grilled fast and hot over charcoal, so the outside crisps up while the inside stays moist. The marinade has that classic Hoi An balance, a little sweet from sugar and honey, savory from fish sauce and the fragrance of lemongrass, garlic, and shallots in each bite. At Ban Nine, the skewers are served with two sauces, a light nuoc cham with fresh chili for brightness, and a thick golden peanut sauce that reminds me a little of Malay satay. Rich, creamy, and just sweet enough, this sauce turns the grilled pork into something incredibly addictive. You also get a generous spread of ban trang, herbs, cucumber, and pickled vegetables. The fun part is building your own roll. Take a sheet of rice paper, add some lettuce, herbs, a piece of grilled pork, maybe a little pickle for crunch, and wrap it up tight. Then give it a good dunk in the sauce. The bite that follows is one of the things I love most about Vietnamese food. Smoky meat, cool vegetables, fresh herbs, and that creamy dip all coming together. Light, refreshing, but still full of flavor. My plate of Thịt Nướng cost 80,000 dong, and for the quality and freshness, it felt like solid value. Prices here in general are much lower than the tourist-heavy parts of town, and if you're coming with friends or family, the combo sets are perfect for sharing. Now, like any popular local spot, Ban Nine does have its quirks. It's not air-conditioned, seating is limited, and during peak times, especially on weekends or holidays, the wait can be long and orders may arrive slowly. But honestly, once the food arrives, most diners forget about the wait. For me, this little stall sums up why I love exploring neighbourhood food in Hoi An. It's humble, it's warm, and everything is cooked with care. If you're looking for a real local meal away from the crowds, Ban Nine is a fantastic stop.